Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. My name is Muhammad Hafaz Almuti with student ID 2111002. In this presentation, I will discuss research conducted by Bayezan Zanurjaman on the use of artificial aggregates, specifically stone ash, as an alternative to improve the quality of concrete. This research is important considering the increasing demand for construction materials, especially in Garut, which is rich in natural and artificial aggregates. With this research, is hope to provide innovative solution to replace natural sand with artificial aggregates such as stone ash to enhance the properties of concrete. Let's dive deeper into the intriguing result of this study. As an introduction, Garut is known as a significant source of natural and artificial aggregates for concrete construction. With the increasing demand for natural sand to meet the growing needs of the construction industry, this research becomes relevant in seeking innovative ways to replace natural sand with artificial aggregates such as stone ash to improve concrete quality. This research aims to investigate the impact of using stone ash as an alternative aggregate in concrete mixture. By combining stone ash with natural aggregate such as sand from the Cilopang area, this study will explore the characteristic of the resulting concrete. Through comprehensive laboratory testing, it is expected to provide database insight on the feasibility of using stone ash as an alternative aggregate. The research was conducted at the Institute Teknologi Garut Civil Engineering Workshop, a well-equipped facility for testing and evaluating construction materials. The research team utilized a combination of literature review, field observation, and extensive laboratory testing to gather comprehensive data for this project. The research process involved three main stages: preparation, concrete mixing, and truck testing to evaluate the properties and performance of the concrete. In this study, the variation in the use of stone ash was evaluated, ranging from replacing 25% of the standard fan aggregate with stone ash to fully replacing the fine aggregate with stone ash. Each variation aimed to observe its impact on the strength and properties of the concrete. First, 25% stone ash. In this scenario, 25% of the standard fine aggregate was replaced with stone ash to evaluate its impact on the strength and the properties of the concrete. Second, 50% stone ash. Half on the fine aggregate was replaced with stone ash to observe more significant change in the concrete mix. Third, 75% stone ash. The replacement of stone ash increased to 3/4 of the fine aggregate, aiming to test the limits of this partial substitution. Fourth, 100% stone ash. The entire standard fine aggregate was replaced with stone ash, testing its feasibility as a complete alternative material. This variation in the use of stone ash aimed to evaluate its impact on the strength and properties of concrete. Thus, this research provides deep insight into the potential of stone ash as substitute for traditional aggregate in concrete production. Trend analysis for the comprehensive strength of concrete show a significant increase with the increase in the percentage of stone ash used as artificial aggregate. the maximum increase reached 25.63% when using 25% stone ash, but gradually decreased with the increase in the percentage of stone ash up to 100%. This result indicate the potential of using stone ash as a sustainable replacement for traditional aggregates in concrete production. The use of stone ash as an artificial aggregate has been proven to enhance the compressive strength of concrete. However, variation in the amount and type of stone ash used can significantly affect the overall properties of the concrete mix. To achieve the desired slump and workability, adjustment to the water content may be necessary when incorporating stone ash into the concrete. This highlights the importance of monitoring and adjusting the mix design to ensure the final product meets the required specification. Factor affecting concrete quality. First, aggregate gradation change. Variation in the size distribution of stone ash used as an artificial aggregate can significantly impact the strength, workability, and durability of concrete. Maintaining a consistent gradation is crucial to ensure quality. Second, condition of use stone ash. The physical and chemical properties of stone ash, such as cleanliness, angularity, and reactivity, can affect concrete performance. Improper handling or storage of stone ash can lead to contamination and quality issues. Third, water cement ratio impact on concrete strength. The ratio of cement to water in the concrete mix is a key factor in determining the final strength of concrete. Variation in this ratio can cause issues in setting time, workability, and overall concrete quality. Feasibility of fine aggregate or sand. First, testing process. The testing process for fine aggregate or sand will follow the SNE 2493 2011 standard, ensuring comprehensive evaluation of material properties. Second, strength, economy, and durability. Careful consideration will be given to the strength, economic feasibility, and long-term durability of the concrete mix when using fine aggregate or sand as a replacement. Third, impact on concrete performance. The research will assess how the use of fine aggregates or sand affect overall performance, including comprehensive strength, workability, and resistance to weathering to determine its feasibility. So that concludes my presentation. I hope what I have shared is beneficial for all of us. If there are my shortcomings, please forgive me, as perfection belongs only to Allah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.